G'day and welcome. My name's Jim and today I'm going to be telling you how DJI has pissed me off so badly I don't think I'll ever buy one of their products ever again. So, some of you might know I'm into all kinds of RC, boats, helicopters, drones, trucks, truggies, buggies, drifters, rock crawlers. As long as it's cool, I want it. What can I say? I'm a big kid. So, before COVID, I bought a DJI Spark. It was pretty cool. It's got a good camera footage, and it was all right to muck around with. So, one day I let my mate have a go, and he ignored the instructions I told him, and he let the battery go down too low on the drone. So the drone decides it's going to come back home again. As it's flying back again, it hits a friggin' tree, doesn't it? It then falls nose first, 5 metres straight down onto the gravel. Bang! All of a sudden, all over the bloody tablet, there's just error warnings all over the joint, mate. Gimbal's fucked, the accelerator's fucked, geometer's fucked, everything's fucked, mate. It's just fucked. It looks like bloody the Terminator when he's fucking rolling up in his vision. So it was just going error, 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 error. This is rooted, that's rooted. So guess what? It was rooted. So the funny thing is, though, I've crashed other stuff of mine, my RC cars and bloody helicopters, friggin' drones, FPVs, into tree trunks, into walls, into friggin' stationary objects, fence posts, and, you know, a bit of mucking around with them, they're right to go, but not one of these things, mate. One hit, that's it, all gone, all over. So I thought, well, this bloody sucks. I'll learn my lesson anyway. I don't freaking give the thing to friends to play anymore. I just try and think to myself now, you know, before I let somebody borrow my car or use my drones or any of my toys or anything like that, any shit I own, you just think drone. So I went and bought another one online, and I bought a charging station. I bought like 3 batteries, and I bought bloody all kinds of friggin' gimmicky shit. Got a shitload of spare props and everything like that, so I didn't have to order them in after I broke them. Got them all happening. Look, by the time it all arrived and was all ready to go and everything, it sort of ended up on the shelf, and it's sat there now since before COVID. A couple of days ago, I thought, you know what, I might pull out that bloody Spark and have a bit of a play with it, something to do. So I pull out old Sparky and all its accessories, etc. Bloody chuck a decal kit on it for shits and giggles for something to do. Charge up the remote control, go to charge up the batteries, and nothing. Every single one of these is dead. Absolutely stone cold bricked dead. Now, as far as I can recall, at least 2 out of these 4 batteries is bloody brand spanking new. Never had a single charge go through it, and yet they're dead. So here I am getting pissier by the minute, and I'm thinking, well, Christ, now I'm going to have to go and spend money, and I'm absolutely piss poor broke, buy a couple of batteries. Well, they're going to be $50-$60 each. This is great. So I go on to eBay and have a look, and I can't see any of bloody Sparky batteries. I go, okay, that's whatever. I go on to Amazon and have a look. I can't find any batteries. So this is a bit friggin' strange. So I go onto the DJI website, and this is what I see. Spark Intelligent Flight Batteries. 169 Australian dollars each. What the actual fuck? I only paid 400 for the whole bloody Spark with, you know, a battery or 2 batteries or whatever that come with it, and the remote control. What? Fucking $200. That means right here sitting in front of me, I have got a fucking $1,000 basically of fucking batteries. $1,000 worth of fucked up shit friggin' batteries, and half of them are brand new. So anyway, I go into the comment section because I want to see what people are saying. I want to, maybe somebody else is down there going, oh, well, Jesus, you good boys have got some balls, fucking charging that amount, don't you? And here's a guy saying, what is that? He's saying, how much postage is it to Sydney or something like that? And they're saying, yeah, it's blah, blah, blah. And by the way, we're out of stock. That was September last year, and they're still out of stock today. So that's just absolutely bloody beautiful. Not only does the thing break the first time it friggin' hits something, not only does fucking all the batteries die on the bastard, not only do they try and gouge me fucking $200 for bloody batteries and shit like that, they haven't even got the bastards anyway. So now what have I got? What have I got now? I've got fucking, what, $1.5 grand worth of fucking doorstop. So anyway, that's about it for the time being. If you've got any opinions on it, hey, put them down below. I'm interested in hearing it. And over the next few weeks, I'm going to try and get a module that'll communicate with these things. So I'll keep you informed anyway if anything happens. In the meantime, y'all be good, stay safe, and we'll see yous round like a Rissole trendsetters. Play that music! Sheena is a punk rocker, Sheena is a punk rocker, Sheena is a punk rocker now.
Techno.
If you like my videos, here's a few more for you to watch. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss my next video, which will be out in a couple of days.